Rob Frazier here. Wanted to talk about a simple way to earn at least $106 per day on the internet through affiliate marketing. First off, if you just came across me, I got out of Marine Corps August 31st of 2011 because of a divorce, and I had a $93,000 past due child support bill, and I ended up paying that bill off within 9 months through affiliate marketing on the internet. So that just qualifies me to be able to teach you this info. And whatever situation you're in, if your back is against the wall, if you're trying to learn how to make money online, I can show you how to do that through affiliate marketing, which is one of the easiest ways to do so. I have a system that has a business, which is what you're looking at. It has a marketing system, and it has a traffic source. Now, when you combine these three things, business, marketing system, traffic source, what you do is you create multiple streams of income with one system that you're promoting. And I will show you exactly how to promote it without using Facebook, without using solo ads, without putting videos on YouTube like I'm doing, because I tell people all the time, do videos. Some people just don't do it for whatever reason. I have pieced together a system to help you do this. If you don't want to make YouTube videos, some people just don't want to make them. I don't know why, but regardless, I put a plan together. It's simple, it's straightforward, and I'm going to tell you right now, it is a one-time $147 to get started. You get started for $147. You'll have everything you need to do this thing. You have the business. You have the marketing system. Marketing system is the capture page, the autoresponder, everything you need. We combine the business, we combine the marketing system, and then we go over here to this free traffic source. It's called IBO Toolbox, and I will show you exactly what to do on a daily basis. You have to stay consistent, and you have to follow the plan. And if you follow the plan, you can get to a place to where you're bringing in $106 per day on the internet. And it doesn't stop there. You can make a lot more. But that is the start of this whole thing, and this is what I'm going to be sharing on my YouTube video, also on my email list. So underneath this video, in the description on this YouTube channel, there's going to be a link that's going to take you to this page right here whenever it loads on my computer. We just moved out to the country, and we just don't have fast Wi-Fi. But you don't need fast Wi-Fi to do this. You're going to see a page like this. Go ahead and opt in. You're going to get an email from me if you're coming across me on YouTube. Also, in that email, you should get a link to my Facebook group. So there's going to be 4 pieces. We have the business, we have the marketing system, we have the traffic source, and then we have my Facebook group. So those 4 pieces, you get in my Facebook group every single Wednesday starting January, what is Wednesday? 8th. And January 10th, so every single Wednesday and Friday, January 8th and 10th, 15th, 17th, so on and so forth. I'm going to be hosting Zoom, webinars, Hangouts, trainings in that particular Facebook group. And in fact, I'll link the Facebook group underneath this video as well, because I don't know if I have it in my emails. So what I'll do is have that link to the Facebook group below. Underneath this video, you'll be able to opt in to this page right here, and you'll get access. Business, marketing system, traffic source. I'm going to be documenting the journey, and I'm going to be showing people how to do this, how to make $106 a day on the internet. And I know $106 is not really a whole lot. Just, what, $742 a week? However, when you follow my strategies, you'll be able to take what I'm teaching you and scale it up. Because it's not just about making $106. It's about getting your start there, because a lot of people sell these $100,000 courses online, $25,000, $5,000, $1,000, 3 easy payments, $997, blah blah blah, all this good stuff. what I have here is a one-time $147 to get your foot in the door, and then I'll show you how to make that back. And then once you make that back, it's just a matter of taking a percentage of that income, putting it in your pocket, and a percentage of that income, putting it into other paid advertising sources and to upgrade in your different businesses. But we're going to do it in a very smart and calculated manner. I know because I've done this. I was in 6 figures of debt. $102,284.74. $93K of that was past due child support. I was making upwards. My highest week I ever made was $20,000 online. But all of that money coming in didn't just go to pay down that debt. All of that money coming in didn't just go to advertising. I still also had to live. So it's about being smart with the money that comes in. A percentage of money always goes to my pocket. A percentage of money always goes back into advertising. A percentage of that money always goes to upgrade in my businesses. And it's through following a specific calculated plan is what allowed me to pay down that debt. No matter what your situation is, I can help you. If you tried making money online, e-commerce, trading, forex, crypto, MLM, it doesn't matter. And my kiddo here, he pulled out the cash from my wallet here. Teaching you good. Anyways, doesn't matter what you tried. I can help you make money online. I got a $147 plan to help you. Link is below. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next video. Also, if I'm sending you this video in an email list, go check that email. The links will be in the email. But if you're watching this on YouTube, link is below to get on my email list. I'm here to help you out. I'm a real person. Let's do this. We'll see you in the next video. Also, affiliate marketing, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to make money online. We're not building huge teams. We're not trading and losing money in crypto and buying stupid coins and losing our money in the forex market. We're not going all over the place trying to find different items to drop ship and sell and all this kind of stuff. It's just straightforward affiliate marketing. I can help you do this. Name's Rob Frazier. Link is below. See you in the next video.